Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's video we're going to talk about Brew Money, which is one of the highest earning APYs you can get anywhere in cryptocurrency. Obviously nothing I talk about on this channel is financial advice, so always go away and do your own research before investing any of your own money. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Jumping over to the website then, which as always is linked down below in the description, you can see that you can earn up to 10% annually on your balance, and looking at the phone on the right hand side you can see that every second it's earning interest, and over a year that obviously will make up to 10%. But you can then take out money anytime you want, super flexible with free transfers and lots of other things. And obviously with the crypto market currently significantly down, if you're looking for a more stable way to earn a passive income, then this could well be it. So this is one of the lowest risk ways to make an annual percentage yield. You can free your money with the DeFi or Decentralized Finance movement. Financial institutions take custody of your money to earn a yield, passing a trivial portion to you. DeFi reverses the equation. DeFi or Decentralized Finance is a blockchain-based form of finance that does not rely on central intermediaries. It is your own money robot that makes you brilliant with money by bringing back the value to you and growing your wealth faster. So if you've got money in the bank and you're looking for more ways to make money from that money and grow your wealth, then this is a great solution potentially for you. You can link your bank account and therefore very easy to do instant deposits all in under 1 minute, which is obviously pretty cool. And we're going to look at how you can download the apps and stuff in a moment. Also guys, if you want to understand the concept of compounding interest, so for example, if I have $100 in a year, it's going to be worth $110, which might not sound that significant, but if I'm putting away money each year and earning 10% on top of that, I then earn 10% the following year on all the money I've earned so far. So instead of earning $10 on my $100 initially, the next year I have $110 and I'll earn 10% of that, so effectively I'll earn $11, and obviously it sort of starts to snowball the more and more money you put into it. It's super easy to transfer funds between your friends and family, etc., and you can do all of that in just the touch of a button. There's going to be instant withdrawals with no fees, which is actually really cool guys, because I've talked about other platforms on this channel that have delayed withdrawals, sometimes 24 to 48 hours, which can be quite frustrating if you need to get hold of those funds more quickly. And this is a whole story about banking and what they're not telling us. Basically, when you put your money into a bank, the bank uses your money to invest in other things and then makes a profit from that, but you only get paid interest, which is your kind of reward for giving them the money, which is actually insanely small amount and not really worth it, because obviously inflation right now is huge and the inflation significantly is bigger than the percentage yields that you're getting. Therefore, leaving money in the bank, you're actually theoretically losing money over a period of time, because what you can buy with $100 this year, you probably can't buy with $100 next year. And what's all very key guys, protected, secure, trusted and proven. We obviously want to look at projects and invest our money into places that are safe, protected. Your account is protected with your PIN and Face ID. We verify your account by SMS or MFA authenticator apps like Google Authenticator. Secure, super secure guys, with double encryption. Trusted, using USDC as the stablecoin of choice, which has over $27 billion in circulation, so obviously a well-known currency, and obviously that's linked to the US dollar price, therefore not volatile like putting your money into Bitcoin or Ethereum, which obviously you can make lots of money from, but you can also lose lots of money as well. And proven, we work with proven DeFi protocols managing over $20 billion of crypto assets over the last few years. Currently it's in the very early beta phase, and if you want to get involved, then all you need to do is click on join the wait list, and then you'll get first access to the protocol when it is launched first time. The first 100 adopters will get a free NFT created by their partnership with This Is Lux, and therefore you'll need to add your MetaMask wallet or whatever to the sign up form in order to be able to get involved with that. As you can see, these are the NFTs and they're probably going to come with their own features, etc., utilities, and obviously at the moment they have yet to be launched, which is why they're currently at a volume trade of 0.000, but that's not to worry guys. First 100 obviously get an NFT, which obviously could potentially be worth some money, and you could maybe make some good money that you can then put in and earn 10% on whatever you sell your NFT for. Jumping over to Twitter then guys, you can see that this project is still in its infancy with not a huge amount of followers, but that's fine. You can do some research online and find out more and more about the platform by following them on Twitter. You'll find out more about when they're going to launch, as well as different ways in which you can get on and maybe earn some rewards by retweeting, sharing their content, and helping them to grow their community. Obviously, along with the website, Twitter will be linked down below in the description, so make sure you go and check it out after this video. Soon they're looking to implement other protocols like Compound and Anchor, which is obviously going to be exciting, and there's going to be lots of things coming out around this project very soon. Definitely worth checking out the waitlist, getting over here, and even if you haven't got perhaps a huge amount of money to be able to put in right now, obviously you can see, guys, you will start earning straight away, which is obviously a great thing, and then you can continue to deposit money all the time. This for me is pretty much looking into the future in terms of being able to instantly send money to different people, and is what's made other apps around the world like WeChat in China so popular, and what we've basically been lacking in Europe, America, etc. for a while now is basically a really easy peer-to-peer payment system. So just to recap, guys, Brew Money is a decentralized platform where you can go and earn a passive income by paying in money. It's instantly converted to USDC, and you'll instantly start earning rewards on that money up to 10% per year, which is obviously a pretty good compared to kind of average banking interest rates, and definitely something you should pay attention to because it's very low risk indeed. Obviously, as I've said, guys, everything linked down below in the description, so make sure you go and check it out now. Join the waitlist. Make sure you join the waitlist in order to get access to this platform as soon as it launches. Follow them on Twitter, find out everything you need to know. Guys, if you've enjoyed today's video about earning passive income on your crypto, then make sure you smash the like button. It helps us out more than you know. Thanks very much for doing that. And if you're new to crypto, you want to learn how to make money in crypto, the metaverse, and NFTs, then make sure you subscribe to Crypto Gems to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.